Hi, Steve, LJ for Oamaru. Welcome to 28 Grove Avenue, Western. Out here we've got beautiful West Haven. It's a fantastic property situated on 4,699 square metres, and we've got two homes. So follow me and I'll introduce you to a beautiful property. Wow, the entertainer's dream. Have a look at this beautiful courtyard. Comes off the main house, off the deck, down into here, where you've got your own fire for winter entertainment and summer barbecues. It's just a really special place, nice and sheltered away from the wind, and yet handy to the main house. Beautiful position, lovely spot. As we enter the main residence, two houses on this wonderful property. The main residence here has been fully refurbished to a really lovely high standard and really offers comfortable living and well heated. You can see we've got a chef's kitchen over here, beautiful open plan living, heated with a lovely log fire and our heat pump. With three bedrooms, this is the master room. As you can see, it flows off to the outdoor area with there's a great gazebo covered area, perfect for a spa or barbecue. The home features three double bedrooms, all fully refurbished. This is through to the master. You can see it comes out of this beautiful outdoor entertaining area. It's already been plugged up for bring your spa and enjoy the summers and winters. Through the main hallway here we've got a beautiful bathroom that's got a standalone bath and shower. It's been fully refurbished, and we've got our two remaining double bedrooms that have all been done up. And as we enter the home theatre room, entertainment room, pool room, this is spectacular down here also. Plenty of room for the family to lounge out, watch the movies on the big screen, or set up the pool table in here. Also, of course, what's really important is the entertainer's bar, and heated with heat pump down here and a log fire. It's a stunning room that will keep everyone entertained and happy. And outside here in the 4,699 square metre section, we've got beautiful private ponds and waterfalls, decked walkways that will appease anyone looking for peace and quiet, and just to capture the ambience of the whole property. Follow me. Welcome to your mini farm. This is a perfect place to be self-sufficient. We've got the big chook pen aviary, beautiful berry beds, we've got the hobby shed, garden shed area, and then we've got a beautiful orchard full of apples and plums, plus the dog run and a wonderful hothouse. Follow me, it's just an abundance of fruit and veggies. As you can see, we've got awesome garaging here, 4-car garaging, workshop, two big carports, one big enough for a camper van. There's plenty of room for the enthusiasts to bring the cars in the collection and just be at peace in your garage. Here we are at the second residence on the property. As you can see, like the main residence, lovely and modern, built 2016, so we're double glazed, fully insulated. The option here is just up to you really, extended family, Airbnb or tenanted it out, your choice. It's a wonderful property with lots of options.